Hi everyone, I hope you are doing good. In this video, we are going to learn how to recover permanently deleted photos and videos from any Android phone. If you have accidentally or unknowingly deleted any of your important photos or videos, you can easily recover within a minute. And I will tell you a very easy and free process. So make sure you watch this whole video, and if you are new on my channel, don't forget to hit like, share and subscribe. So guys, let's learn something new today. To recover deleted photos and videos from any Android phone, the very first thing you have to do is you have to open Play Store on your phone. Then you have to install this application, which name is File Recovery, Photo Recovery. This application is easily available on Play Store. And you can also see this application rating and downloads here. It has 4.4 rating and more than 5 crore downloads. This is very popular and trusted application. Once you have installed this application, then simply you have to open it and you will see this kind of interface. On this page, you will see many options like photo, video, document, message, audio, contacts. That means you can recover your permanently deleted photos, permanently deleted videos, document, WhatsApp chat, audio as well as contacts. So now let me tell you how you can recover your permanently deleted photos from your Android phone. To recover deleted photos, simply you have to click on this photo option and you will see these two options here. Scan all files, scan deleted files. Here you have to click on scan deleted files and it will start scanning and searching all your deleted photos from your Android phone. It will take some time, so you have to wait here. And once scanning is complete, all your deleted photos will be in front of you. As you can see, it has scanned 392 deleted photos. Simply you have to click on this all option and here you can see it has recovered total 398 permanently deleted photos from my phone. So now let me tell you how will you save all these deleted photos to your phone gallery. Simply you have to select those photos which you want to save to your phone gallery and then go to top of this page and here you will find this recover button. Simply you have to click on recover button and it will start recovering. Once it is done, then you have to open your phone gallery and here you can see I have just recovered all these three photos, right? And in the same manner, if you want to recover your permanently deleted videos, then here you have to click on video option. Then you have to follow the same step. Click on video, then click on scan deleted files and it will start scanning and searching all your deleted videos from your phone. And once the scanning is complete, all your deleted videos will be in front of you. As you can see, it has scanned total 18 deleted videos. So click on all and if you want to recover this video, simply select it, then click on recover. Once it is done, then go to your phone gallery and here you can see I have recovered this video. So in this manner, you can recover your permanently deleted photos and videos from any Android phone. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you found this video informative, don't forget to hit like, share and subscribe. See you in next video. Have a nice day.